This is Math Studies Lesson 9.5. So this lesson doesn't really have a lot of, or any really new content. What it is it's going to look at all of the different things we've done in this chapter and then put them together in one thing. So the first thing is arithmetic sequences, and the formula from that should be on 9.1, but the explicit formula is un equals u sub 0 plus the common difference times n, and if we need a formula for the common difference, it's u2 minus u1, and if we need a formula for u sub 0, it is u sub 1 minus d. So all those formulas should have been on 9.1. Remember, arithmetic is when you are adding, and sequences are just getting a list of numbers. Geometric is when you're multiplying, and then sequences again are just getting a list of numbers. So also from 9.1, the explicit formula for a geometric sequence is u sub n equals u sub 0 times the ratio to the power of n. And if we need a formula for the ratio, that is u2 divided by u1, and if we need a formula for u sub 0, that is u sub 1 divided by the ratio. I think we talked about percent increase and percent decrease as well. So your ratio could be 1 plus 2% for an increase or 1 minus 2% for a decrease. And again, we've already talked about these in the rest of the chapter. This is just a collection of all of our different formulas in one place. Arithmetic series we looked at in 9 point... I think I'm wrong. I think this was 9.1. This was 9.2. I think this was 9.3. Okay, so that was S sub n is n, u1 plus un over 2. Where n is the number of numbers. We already know u sub 1 is the first number. And then u sub n should be the nth number or the last number. And the arithmetic series is a way that we're going to add all the terms from our arithmetic sequence. After that we have geometric series, and I believe that's 9.5, or 9.4. And we can add up a few of the terms of a sequence using our partial sum formula. And the ratio is the same ratio from the geometric sequences. u1 still means first number, n still means number of numbers. That's if we wanted to add a specific number of numbers together. The infinite sum is if we're going to add up all the numbers on convergent geometric series. So convergent, remember, means that it's going to decrease to 0. Geometric has to be through multiplication. Any arithmetic sequences do not converge. Those are automatically going to go off to infinity. So this formula only works if your ratio is less than 1. It has to be between -1 and +1. Okay, so that's a collection of all the different formulas from the whole packet, so there's no more flipping around to try to find the right formulas. And for the exercises, they're all word problems where you're going to have to make the decision, is this arithmetic or geometric? Is it increasing through addition, or is it changing through multiplication? You're going to have to determine if they want a specific term, like the 10th number in the list of numbers, or if they want the sum of the first 10 numbers, so a series or a sequence. Good luck on the exercises, and please let me know if you have any questions.